Good morning, preschoolers. So, I wanted to talk today about shapes. And do you know what I brought to help us learn shapes? I brought food. Did you know that a lot of your food comes in different shapes? So, the first shape that I want to talk about, that I want to show you, and we know these shapes. We've talked about them at preschool, but I thought it would be good to review. So, I brought today a Rice Krispie treat. Do you see that yummy Rice Krispie treat? Can anybody tell me what shape that this Rice Krispie treat is in? If you said a square, you are right. How do we know it's a square? Remember, we talked about this in preschool. We said that a square has 4 sides. We also said that a square has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do we also say about a square? Something special that makes a square a square. Does anybody remember? Well, a square, all the sides are the same length. So this side is as long as this side, which is the same as this and this. This is a square. I brought something else that's a square. This is a saltine cracker. Look at that. It's a square because it has 4 corners. It has 4 sides, but they're all the same size. Now, can someone tell me, this is a Rice Krispie treat too, but is this a square? Well, let me think. We have 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this a square? Does this look the same as this or different? Well, if you notice, this looks a little bit like a square that's been stretched out. It's been stretched up. Is this side the same length as this side, or does this side seem longer to you? Is this the same size as this, or does this seem shorter to you? Remember that we said a square, all the sides are the same. This is not a square. Can somebody tell me what this is called? This is called a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides, 4 corners, but it does not have to have all the sides that are the same size. Look at this. This is another piece of a Rice Krispie treat. Do you see that it has 4 sides, 4 corners, but not all the sides are the same? This is also a rectangle. I also brought something maybe some of you guys eat, especially with s'mores. Do you see this graham cracker? Is this a square or a rectangle? Let's think. It has 4 corners, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides, 2, 3, and 4. But do all the sides, are they all the same size? Nope. This is a rectangle, friends, not a square. Do you see the difference? This is a square. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. This is a square. Now, I especially wanted to focus on squares and rectangles so that you could tell the difference. But I also wanted to show you some really fun foods that we have that have the shapes that we like to talk about. What shape is this? If you said a circle, you are right. So I've got a circle cracker, a square cracker, and a rectangle cracker. These crackers are a little more like cookies, but they're called graham crackers. And I also brought a food that comes in I'll let you guess what it is. What shape is that? If you said triangle, you are right. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. This is a triangle. Can you think of something else that you might eat that comes in the shape of a triangle a lot of times? I'm thinking of a piece of pizza or a piece of pie might come in a triangle. Now notice there's a triangle and a rectangle. Okay, they're different. Triangle, rectangle. They're different, aren't they? But they have the same ending. Maybe they rhyme. And then I have one more shape. This. What shape is that in? If you said oval, you are right. An oval is kind of like a stretched out circle. Here's another example of an oval. You see this grape? It's not perfectly round like this cracker. It's stretched out a little bit, like it's pulled this way. Here's another example. An egg is the shape of an oval. So what I would love for you to do today as an activity, go around your house or maybe some of the foods you find and see if you can find some squares, some rectangles, some triangles, and some ovals, and some circles. So, if you want and you find these things, you can take a picture or do a little video and put it on your homeroom app and tell me about some of the things that you found in your house with these shapes. Happy finding! Bye!